Welcome to Balavikat. This is Kilabiram. Today I will tell you a powerful Hanuman mantra. Manojamam Maruthatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varittam Vatatmajam Vanarayodamukyam Chiramadutam Charanam Prabhaje Chiramadutam Charanam Prabhaje Namaste